What's up, guys? It's Tom Devine. I'm the Director of Marketing for AV Pro Edge, and what I'm here to show you at InfoComm 2019 is our brand new Fresco 4. It's a 1 input, 4 output video wall processor that is plug and play. So your level 1 tech would be able to put together this system completely by themselves. All you do is you have our Fresco Cap 4. You find any source that you need to share. It can go all the way up to 4K 60 at 18 gigabits per second. And what it does is it has 4 outputs, and those outputs are 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you hook up your video wall, you don't have to do any programming, you don't have to set it up. All you do is plug in the HDMI cables and you have an instant video wall. Now, with these sneaky little bezels, you want to compensate your actual footage. That's where our PC software comes in. What we have here is the Fresco 4 PC software that comes with your video wall unit. The 3 easy steps for getting a video wall. You connect to control either by network or RS-232. You measure your bezel and enter your information. If you have the same display, you can just check the mark and it will take the measurements for all 4 of your displays. And then you click Generate Video Wall. And that's all there is to making a video wall with the Fresco Cap 4. Do you want more than just 4 screens? No matter how many you have, you can stack additional units to grow your video wall, and still it will process it into 1 picture. And that is all done when you stack it using our PC software. This is a very low-cost solution. You can buy very inexpensive displays. You can plug them in right away. You can use any HDMI source and you will have a working video wall with the Fresco Cap 4 from AV Pro Edge. Make sure to go to bzbexpress.com, and for more technical information, check out our website at avproedge.com.
So I can learn how to